Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glossybox for April. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Glossybox for April just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this month they're in their pink box. I don't mind what color the thing is. I always save them because they're constructed so well. You can always repurpose the boxes. But once we get inside, let's see what we will have for April. You have your bow, and once you remove your ribbon, which I save. And then once we remove the little sticker for the tissue paper, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box, and there's no card. Oh, okay. Well, with Glossybox, they normally give us the pricing per item and some more information per item, but apparently they didn't want me to give you that information. My card is not in the box this time. So let's just go through and see which products we have in there. So the first product right here will be saved for one of you guys because this works normally with sleep lotion. Yep. It has lavender. So this one says comforting body lotion with lavender and chamomile to support a good night's sleep. So there is that. I hear this is a good brand and I hear these products are amazing, but with lavender and me not caring for the scent in general, plus it giving me a migraine, I ain't doing it. There's item number one from This Works, and it is a comforting body lotion. Now we have, it looks like there's going to be a set of 3 different scrunchies. It's a really pretty, like a peachish pink color. So you have a set of scrunchies. I mean, what else do you want to talk about a scrunchie? You put this shit in your hair. So there's a set of scrunchies and they feel really nice. Like they might be like made of silk or something. It says 3-piece satin sleep scrunchies in blush. Oh, so these are even good to put if you put your hair up at night to use these since they are satin. Same concept of like using a satin pillow. It's supposed to be better for your hair. So that is really neat. And you have 3 different ones. So far I'm seeing like a sleeping theme with just these 2 products. Sleep good. Put these in your hair for sleep. If we had the card, we would know what the theme was to know if that's even something that they're trying to do, or I just saw that. This one here says Lash Food Conditioning Collagen Lash Primer. Ooh, I don't think I've ever heard of a conditioning lash primer with collagen. So is it like a normal wand, like a mascara wand? Yep. So that's what it looks like. And I guess you can put this on as a prep before. I don't know. I wish I had my paper. It just says Conditioning Collagen Lash Primer. And that's all that it says. So, Lash Food. I think that might be the brand, maybe. And then there's that. I don't know what else to say about it. The next product, it says Neolanston Revitalizing and Firm Eye Cream. Okay, so that's a eye cream right there. And with eye creams, you just really need a little dabble, do you? Just to kind of put on here. Sometimes you can venture up through here a little bit, but mainly just like under your eye is all you really need it for. And this would be a good size, especially to try it out, because again, you just use a little bit, so that will go a long way. If this was like a face cream, I'd be like, okay, maybe 1 or 2 nights. But an eye cream, you can definitely get a lot of usage out of this guy. So there's an eye cream. I like the little logo on top. Looks like a little butterfly on the top. So next we have, it says First Care Advanced Activating Serum by Suwasu. I'm not quite sure how to say that. So this one says Activating Serum, an essential anti-aging booster facial serum, got advanced to the 5th generation, featuring upgraded JAUM activator that brings out youth potential of your skin for a healthy and natural glow. And there's even like an actual pamphlet in there too if you wanted to get more information. But this is what it looks like right here. It's a cute little interesting bottle, that's for sure. Pop it up and you pump it out. and it's orange. Let's see if there's like a little scent, if I can smell today. I don't really smell anything. But it feels nice. I like the fact that they did put in a serum with the eye cream. So for example, if you get out of the shower at night right before bed, you can put the serum on, you can put the eye cream on, you can put this lotion on, and you can pull your hair up with one of these satin scrunchies and go to bed and get a good night's sleep. So that's cool. There is one more product left in here, and that is right here by Laritzi Cosmetics. It says that it's a gel liner and it's in the color Truffle. This looks like this would be a full-size product. So let's get this out and see. It said it was a gel liner. Is it eyeliner? It just says a gel liner. So my thing just shot somewhere. Where'd it go? Okay, I see a track of it hitting this because there's a little bit of the brown. If you want to know what color it is. There it is. It was brown. I was gonna save it for one of you guys because I normally only wear black, but where'd it go? Oh, I find. Okay. Ooh, and it has a nice little sharp tip to it. Look at that. So this was down inside here that's broken, but it is a dark brown. Let's see if I can get it back in there a little. Okay. It's definitely not going to stay, but at least you can see what it looks like. What color? Here, let me just do this little number so you can see the color of the brown. There's the color of that brown. So there you go. Hopefully when yours comes, yours is all intact. And that's that. I don't know if there's different color variations or anything. Most of the time in the pamphlet it would say if there is different colors or different products sent, which we don't have. So this is all that I can tell you. So a quick recap of April's products. You have a brown, or at least I received a brown truffle eyeliner. You have a face serum, an eye cream. You have a conditioning collagen lash primer. You have this lotion if you like lavender. And then you have a 3-piece satin scrunchie set. All right, you guys. So that is everything for the April box. Comment down below and let me know, did you receive this box? Do you like this box? What are your favorite items from this box? If you did receive it, would you like this box? Let me know down below. If you want some more information about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. I do have them linked down below in the description box. You can follow that link and go straight to their website. If you do follow that link, you'll get your very first box for only $16. This here, if you just do month to month, it's $21 a month. If you go all the way to a 12-month subscription, it brings this box price down to $18. You do not have to prepay. I think they actually have an option where you can prepay for an even deeper discount, or you can still pay monthly at the year rate that you lock in. But again, if you do go the whole prepaid, wham bam, thank you ma'am, pay the whole year, I believe that one is even cheaper because they asked, do you want to pay monthly or do you want to pay by year, I believe. But again, it would bring the box price down if you want to prepay for more months in advance. There's free shipping internationally. You can cancel at any time, and you should have a guaranteed worth of $70 or more with 5 products in every box. Again, it's free international shipping. You get a ribbon that you can reuse, and you get these boxes that you can reuse as well with 5 products to test out, try out, and there you go. So that is all for this particular video, you guys. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.